This is Joe Chang, Global Editor of ICIS Chemical Business, and I'm here with Chris John, President of the National Association of Chemical Distributors. Chris, you just completed your new strategic plan. Can you tell us of any major changes as well as goals for the year?
Sure. Our board just approved our new strategic plan and focused in 3 areas. One of us is our responsible distribution program. The second is our government advocacy, as well as growing our membership. And one of the big changes that NACD is undertaking is that our responsible distribution process will now be referred to and run as the just responsible distribution. The focus being on sharing with our stakeholders in the supplier community, up the supply chain, down the supply chain to our customers, as well as the regulators in Washington, D.C. and legislators on Capitol Hill, so that they understand exactly what our members are doing. And so they've made the change to call it what it is, which is responsible distribution.
Okay, and what really drove that change? It seems like a major branding effort there.
Is exactly right. Is that what we're trying to do is share with all of our stakeholders the importance of responsible distribution, and that, frankly, that our members are doing the right things the right way. And through third-party verification, we're able to document and prove that. And the idea is to make sure that all those stakeholders are aware of just how well our members do their jobs.
Sure. Okay. And I suppose on the regulatory front, what are maybe 1 or 2 issues that are of most concern to your members, and how do you see that playing out?
A couple of big issues going on in Congress right now have to do with CFATS, Chemical Facility Anti-Terrorism Standards, which are currently being implemented by DHS. In addition, there's legislation being considered on Capitol Hill that would change CFATS, which is currently being implemented. And what we'd like to see is what the Obama administration has asked for, which is a straight reauthorization of the law. And we think that CFATS is working and ought to be fully implemented, and then we come back after the fact and see if there are any changes that need to be made rather than rewriting the law in the midst of its implementation.
Sure, and it looks like it will be extended another year, I hope.
We certainly hope so. We think that it's moving in the right direction.
Okay. And let me ask you about the business environment for chemical distributors in North America. Is it recovering, and what's the outlook?
There certainly are signs of recovery. I think if you talk to our members, there's a sense of cautious optimism about the marketplace right now. Now, of course, that depends on what region you're in and what sectors you sell into. But I think they certainly have seen restocking and seen evidence that a recovery is underway.
Okay. Thank you very much, Chris.
Thank you.